I try and steer this channel as far away as possible from the promotional sales type material that a lot of other channels do, because it makes me feel like a cheap whore. But if I'm gonna do it, I'll go the whole hog and put on my suppliers t-shirt. Honestly, in seriousness, I wouldn't be doing this if it was just to make a quick buck. This channel is in it for the long haul, and I only ever tell you guys about stuff that I think actually matters. Zemismarts wanted me to tell you that they are doing a deal of up to 62% off some of the most awesome smart home products I've had on this channel. These are things like the curtain blind motor, the thing that draws your curtains for you. That thing is amazing, one of the best things I've ever featured. The other one is the blind motor that lowers my blinds. Seriously, that's something worth looking at, especially at 62% off. The Zigbee gateway kit that allows you to use Zigbee devices to control cheap Toya Smart Life stuff. This is a one-day only thing, I believe. It's like the 11th of the 11th. AliExpress do it every year. I don't know if it's a Chinese holiday or their equivalent of Black Friday, but either way, links in the description. Go check that stuff out. That's it for this day, not it for this week. At the end of this week, as usual, there'll be a Saturday video. They are my main videos. This is just a one-off thing just to tell you about something that matters. That's it. I shall see you on Saturday. Bye-bye.